Good evening. Oh, రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ ఏంటి? మెసేజ్ పెట్టినా ఇక్కడ ఏదన్నా కాల్ వచ్చిందేమో అని చూస్తుంది. యా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ నాన్న. What is the exam tomorrow you have? Good evening, Sragvi. English, okay. Okay. That's why the attendance is very much less. Mahaganaadhipataye Namaha. Next question we are going to discuss is, if a line is drawn parallel to the base of an isosceles triangle to intersect its equal sides, then prove that the quadrilateral so formed is cyclic. Very good question. See, there is an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB and AC are equal because it is an isosceles triangle. Now, we need to draw a line L parallel to BC. This implies angle B and angle C are equal. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, that means if angle B and angle C are equal. And it was also given that a line is drawn intersecting the equal sides of the triangle at D and E respectively. We need to prove that quadrilateral BCED is cyclic. We need to prove quadrilateral BCED is cyclic. That means we have to prove angle C plus angle D or angle B plus angle E is 180. This is what we have to prove. Okay, na children? So how to prove angle B plus angle E is 180 or angle C plus angle D is 180? Means if sum of opposite angles is 180, we can say that the quadrilateral is cyclic. Proof. Proof. C plus angle E is 180 degrees because line L is parallel to BC by construction. Angle C plus angle E is 180 because L is parallel to BC. Sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Euclid's fifth postulate. Euclid's fifth postulate. Okay, na? But angle B is equal to angle C given. Angle B is equal to angle C given. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, which implies angle B and angle C are equal. In an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That property is there, na? So we have to use that property. Now, replacing C in this equation with B, what will you get? Angle B plus angle E is 180 because angle B and angle C are equal. Now if you observe, angle B and angle E are this angle. We can call it as angle CED. Sum of these two angles is 180 and they are opposite angles of the quadrilateral. If their sum is 180, it is cyclic. That's all. So BCED is cyclic because sum of the opposite angles is 180. Understand, children? You got it or not? Children, you need to respond. Okay. Good. Next question. We'll go ahead with the next question. Next question is, prove that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Prove that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. ABCD is parallelogram. We know that parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel to each other. First write down given ABCD is a parallelogram. That is, opposite sides are equal. Not only that, opposite angles are equal. And required to prove is diagonals bisect each other. That means AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD. If you draw the diagonals, we need to prove AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. We need to prove that. Now, so in order to prove OA is equal to OC, OB equal to OD, what we have to do, children? In order to prove OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD, what we have to do? Can anyone give an idea how to do this problem? Prove that AOB and COD are congruent, right? Very good. See, OA, OC, OB, OD. We need to prove they are equal. So, if we prove these two triangles are congruent, AOB and COD, if the triangles are congruent, then automatically by CPCT, OA is equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Because these are the parts of those two triangles. OA and OC are the parts of AOB and COD. In the same way, BO and OD is also parts of BO and AOB and COD. They are the parts of these two triangles. Okay, now my aim is to prove triangle AOB and triangle COD are congruent. Now, how to do that? We know AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Next, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, same alternate interior angles. So by what congruency criteria? By what congruency criteria? Can anyone say the congruency criteria by which these two triangles are congruent? ASA, very good. ASA congruency criteria. Good. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. CPCT OA is equal to OC. CPCT OA is equal to OC. Okay, na? Next question. Yeah. Next question. There is a circle. AOB is the diameter. P, Q, R. This angle 55, this angle 50, and this is 25. He is asking to find out angle PBA, PBA, this one, angle BPQ, BPQ, this angle, and angle BAR, BAR, this angle. We need to find out X, Y, Z, children. We need to find out X, Y, Z. How to do it? AOB is the diameter of the circle. Find out X, Y, Z. Anyone? Darshan is saying that X is 35. Srijay also saying the same. X 35. let it be. See, since AOB is the diameter and this angle is angle in a semicircle, angle APB is angle in a semicircle, 90 degrees. So 90 plus 55, 145. Then automatically this angle is 35. Okay now? Next, see this. APQB is a cyclic quadrilateral. APQB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles are 180. That means 90 plus y plus 35 plus 25 is 180, because this angle and these two angles are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So 90 plus y plus 35 plus 25 is 185. So 90 plus 60, these two together 60. So 150 plus y is 180. Y will be 30 degrees. X 35, Y 30. Now Z. If you see Z value, see, again AOB is the diameter and this is angle in a semicircle. AOB is the diameter and ARB is angle in a semicircle, 90. So 90 plus 50, 140, then this will be 40. So X 35, Y 30 degrees, Z 40 degrees. I think 30, 35, 40 consecutive numbers, 3 consecutive numbers, not consecutive, 3 numbers which are in arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression, and all those you will learn in class 10. Next question. Two circles of radii 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters intersect and the length of the common chord is 12. Find the distance between their centers. See here. Two circles and the center P and Q. They are intersecting at A and B. Okay. Radius of first circle is 10 centimeters, the other one is 8 centimeters. AB is the common chord. This is 10 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. Length of common chord AB is 12. We need to find out, this is given. Required to prove PQ. Distance between the centers, PQ. AB is the common chord whose length is 12 centimeters. Radius of bigger circle is 10 centimeters. Radius of smaller circle is 8 centimeters. Okay na? So we need to prove, or we need to find out the value of PQ. Children, here one rule is there that when two circles are intersecting each other at two different points, the common chord or the line segment joining the centers, the line segment joining the centers, that is PQ, is the perpendicular bisector of common chord. The line segment joining the centers is perpendicular bisector of common chord AB. So you can take this one as 6, this one as also 6. Because total is given 12, na? AB given 12, then AM 6, BM also 6. Now, if you consider triangle PAM, which is a right triangle, if you consider triangle PAM, which is a right triangle, PA square hypotenuse is equal to PM square plus AM square. 10 square 6 square. So 100 minus 36 is PM square. Then PM is equal to root over 64, which is 8. So PM is 8 centimeters. PM is 8 centimeters. Now, in the same way, triangle AQM. Triangle AQM. Again, a right triangle. So AQ square is equal to AM square plus QM square. 8 square is equal to 6 square plus QM square. 64 minus 36 is equal to QM square. 6. How much? So 28 QM square. Then QM is equal to root over 28, which is 2 root 7. This value 2 root 7. Now, length of PQ is equal to 8 plus 2 root 7. Eight plus 2 root 7. Now, question number 18, children. Next question. A solid right circular cylinder of radius 8 centimeters, height 3 centimeters, height 3 times that of cylinder. A solid right circular cylinder of radius 8 centimeters and height 3 times that of cylinder. Find the curved surface area of cone. Question. A solid right circular cylinder of radius 8 centimeters and height 3. And height is 3 times that of cylinder.
3 times that of cylinder.
Find the curved surface area of cone. Maybe some word is missing over there.
Cone height 3 times of cylinder height. Radius same. Curved surface area. Cone height is 3 times of cylinder.
Height of and height 3 times that of cylinder.
Cone
Solid right circular cylinder is 8, radius 8 and height 3 times that of cylinder. That is what is the meaning of that? Nonsense. What is the meaning of that? Radius 8 and height 3 times cylinder. Cylinder height 3 times cylinder.
మరి సిలిండర్ హైట్ అన్నాడా?
Cylinder height.
నేను అనుకుంటున్నా కోన్ హైట్.
Now okay. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonal AC and BD intersect at P. If AB and DC are equal, then prove triangle PAB congruent to PDC, PA is equal to PD, PC is equal to PB, AD parallel to BC. So many are there. Okay. 21 question is there. In triangle ABC, 21st question is there, I forgot. Find the measure of the angles of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. In triangle ABC, find the measures of the angles of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle. That means D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of, okay. And we need to find out these angles. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Yeah. Beautiful question, children. See. ఇక్కడ మీకు F and E are midpoints of AB and AC. Is that right? That means by midpoint theorem FE parallel to BC and FE is equal to half BC. Is that right? Now FE parallel to BC means, can I write BD?
Yes.
Because BD is a part of BC. Since FE is parallel to BC, I can take FE parallel to BD also. Okay? Next. FE is equal to half BC. Half BC I can take either BD or DC. Half BC is nothing but BD or DC. So I take this one. Okay na? Now see here. These two are parallel and equal also. These two, BD and FE, are parallel and equal also. So BDEF becomes a parallelogram because one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. It becomes a parallelogram. And we know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle Y. This angle equal. Now, in the same way, DCEF is also a parallelogram. In the same way, what we have proved now, DCEF is also a parallelogram. Okay, na? Then angle C is equal to angle Z. In the same way, AEDF is also a parallelogram. Then X is equal to angle A. Now sum of these three angles, 180, which is X plus Y plus Z. Okay na? Now Find the measures of the angles of the triangle formed. Sum of those three angles is 180.
Equilateral triangle.
No, it was not settled. So that's all for today because we are having English exam, children. Thank you very much. Again we will meet on Monday. What is the next exam? What is the next exam? Second language. Okay. We will meet on Monday, no problem. Okay. Bye. ఇదివరకు ఇది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేది ఇదివరకు ఇక్కడ ఉండేది ఏదో తేడా అయింది.